Hey, Dustin here with Built with Pride Construction. We're going to conduct a walkthrough here on a legal suite that we just completed for a client in Cameron Heights in Edmonton, Alberta. We actually added a separate entrance from outside. Turn the camera around here. So we excavated in the backyard, formed, poured with concrete. Walk down here. We've got white aluminum railings, handrail, pressure treated stairs, floor drain at the base, and our motion censored light. Come in, here's our suite. Nice high-end cabinets, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, white subway tile, beveled. We've got our pantry in here, some L-shaped shelving. What I'm most proud of, that floor drain you saw at the base of those stairs has to run with a sump barrel. This is where we put it. Hide it under there. Here, this is the master bedroom. We've got dual closets, and we left a storage area under the stairs, so you walk through the closet and under here. So can't have enough storage area in a finished basement. And we'll show you why we had to do it that way. This is the living room. Door to upstairs, double locking, so need a key here, key on the other side with the deadbolt. Laundry's here, so that's why we had to put the door to the storage area under the stairs in that closet. Washroom, obviously, 12 by 24 tile, chrome fixtures, elongated toilet, again quartz countertops. Cabinet matches the kitchen. Another closet. It's our mechanical room. Sealed nice and tight. Drywall, fire taping. And over here is our second bedroom. So we actually had to add that window. We had to excavate, cut out a portion of the sidewalk, saw cut the foundation, install the window. And here's our panel. Electrical panel. Nice green stickers. Had to put a sub panel in. These are not my fault. They had a lazy plumber, so when they did the groundwork, they didn't break the footing off, and they ran the pipe through the floor, and it was protruding out of the frost walls. So finished it as best we could, built those nice little access boxes, and then under here there's screws, so we put these screw caps on just to clean it up as best we can. And that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and thanks for watching.